Hi there, it's Ian. Let me show you how easy it is to customize the address of your event website. Go ahead and click on Settings in your administration. In tab Website, you will find your current domain generated by Eventee. Now hit the button Custom Domain. If you are new to custom domains, read this quick step-by-step guide. But basically, all you have to do in Eventee is insert your own domain into this column. And don't forget to save your changes. After that, your domain needs to be verified. This process could take up to 72 hours. During this time, you can access your website through the Preview button. If you want to delete your domain, head back to Custom Domain and hit the Delete button. And that's it. Now you know how to customize the domain of your event website.